This is needlepointers.com, and I would like to show you how to make this Love You plastic canvas keyring. It can also be used as a zipper pull. To get the free pattern, see more photos along with step-by-step instructions, and to purchase supplies, go to our website by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. First, print out the PDF file for the Love You design. Then, cut the keyring shape from 7-count plastic canvas. Select worsted weight yarn in any color combination. This is an excellent project for using leftover yarn from other projects. Follow the chart and stitch the design on the plastic canvas using the 10 stitch. For a tutorial on how to use the 10 stitch, watch our video by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. After stitching the design, complete the background using the 10 stitch. I have finished stitching the design, and now we're going to finish the edging between the two sides, the bridge. If you have trouble threading your needle, one way of doing it is get a piece of paper and cut it so that it fits through the eye of the needle. Fold it in half and then place your yarn inside and just insert it into the eye and your needle is threaded. Okay. All right, we're going to do the stitching along the bridge between the two sides using an overcast stitch. The overcast is just going in and out along the edge like this. Now, I know that you might think that this is a little long, my thread, but I wanted it pretty long because afterwards I'm going to be stitching it together, and I can use the same yarn to stitch it together. This, I'm hoping, will be long enough. Now, if you want a tutorial on how to do the overcast stitch, we do have a YouTube video on it, and just click the iCard or the link in the description below to see how to do it. I'm going to continue to do the edge stitch along here, then I'll go to the other side and do it along here, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, I finished that. Now you want to insert the keyring, and to do that all you have to do is just bend the plastic canvas a little bit and insert the keyring. Then place the project with the wrong sides together, and now we're going to whip stitch the edges closed. To whip stitch, you want to go through both plastic canvases, and it's similar to the overcast stitch. You're just going through and covering up the edge. Now, when you get to the corner, normally you just go into each of the plastic canvas holes one time, but when you get to the corner, you usually we'll do it about 3 times so that it'll cover the corner up well. So that's my first one, 2, and 1 more. Three. And see, that covers up this corner so you don't see it. And then just continue to whip stitch along the entire outside of the keyring. Now, if you need a tutorial on how to do the whip stitch, we do have that, and I will put a link in the description, and also there'll be an iCard which will take you right to our tutorial on how to do it. Let me continue to whip stitch all around. As you can see, that's one reason why I have the yarn pretty long, is I expect that I'll be able to go all the way around without having to change my yarn again. So let me finish whip stitching, and then I will show you the finished product. After whip stitching the edges, the project is complete. This keyring makes up quickly and is a nice gift for Valentine's Day, Mother or Father's Day, or as a stocking stuffer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share with friends. Subscribe to our channel so you do not miss future videos. Also, visit our website, needlepointers.com, for other free plastic canvas projects.